Hi, Aletheia.
Hello!
My gosh. Alam mo, the more I look at you,
Ano?
ayoko na mag-compare ng mga beauty queens. Ayoko na mag-compare. Pero alam mo, you have this aura that is so banayad, serene,
Wow.
calm.
Thank you. Thank
Yun
you,
man
ah.
din sa'yo. Napakakalmado mo. I
Thank
don't know if you're
you.
feeling any pressure, pero parang kayang-kaya mong i-handle yung buong situation. Na,
I am feeling so much pressure. Pero tama ka, should be calm. That's the best way to really overcome the pressure.
kasi if we look back at your journey in the Miss Philippines pageant last year, really came out of nowhere. Tapos bumulusok ko na lang all the way till the end. So, parang feeling ko ganito rin yung parang strategy mo na
Kalmado lang.
ano lang, chill ka lang, quiet ka lang sa isang sulok. Tapos, pagdating mo siguro towards, once you set foot in Poland, doon ka na parang unti-unti magpaparamdam, magpapa-aariba ng konti, magpapasabog.
Alam mo, sabihin ko ang siguro naging secret ko na later on ko na lang din na-realize. It's really on the people, how you communicate with them. Kasi nakita ko nun pageant pics, wala ako. Or like, nasa malayo, ganon. Or sa social media, hindi naman tayo masyadong pinag-uusapan pa because newbie din ako. Pero, it's really on how I communicate myself, how I present myself, especially with the organization. Kasi, naakma na yung kultura, 'di ba? Ang hinahanap nila is a cultural warrior, someone who really speaks, who really acts on our culture, our history, our background as Filipinos. And I think magagamit ko pa rin yung strategy ko na yun when I go to Poland, but with a twist. Yan.
So, you like it this way? Na parang na tahi-tahimik ka muna. I mean, hinahype ka namin masyado sa social media.
Actually, gusto ko ng support.
Oo.
I want people to support me, but I think what's really happening is super parang super boom yung si Ate Pao, 'di ba? Super boom.
Oo.
So yung high expectations, parang people syempre they pressure you na you have to be this, you have to be that. Ako hindi ako like yung parang kakagat ba sa gano'n na kailangan ganito ka, kailangan magpagawa ka, kailangan yung I have to be myself for me to really feel, enjoy the competition. Kasi si Ate Pao, her strategy was really wow, di ba? And I wouldn't say I would do the same thing, but I have my own na I know magbo-blossom ako in the supranational stage.
Yes.
Thank you.
Ramdam ko talaga, nagbo-bloom ka.
Thank
Nagbo-bloom
you.
ka talaga. Tsaka, you have this long time of preparation. So, it really
Yes.
works in your favor.
Yes, 7 months. But
Oo.
Ate Pao, I think 5 months lang siya eh.
Oo.
So 7 months is really long. I've been training again with Ate CJ for my pasarela, Winning Words for my Q&A, and Ryuji for my styling, Sir Rick Sotelo as well. So I'm in good hands, and I'm really happy with the organization, Empire, of course, for trusting me. They didn't ask me to do anything with myself, yung dictate anything. They just said, oh, what do you want? Let's work on that. And I think ganun din mangyayari with Supra, praying that we win. If they really want someone who is a spokesperson like me, then it will happen. I trust the
Uy, I
time.
like what you said. I like what you said na, it's gonna be my personal journey. Everything that you will see me in my Miss Supranational journey will be an extension of myself. So, does that also extend to how you'll be wearing your evening gown? Talaga, may collaboration ka ba with a designer? Talagang, pag nakita ba namin yun, talagang, oh, that's me. That's the gown that I really wanted to show you guys.
Nako, talaga, especially with the national costume, I'm so, so excited to showcase that. Kasi, I think yung sinabi mo na parang banayad, kalmado, it will show in my national costume. Kasi it was really a collaboration with Mama Eran. The moment I talked to him, sabi niya sa akin, okay, sige, ano gusto mong mangyari? Sketch siya agad. And then, sabi ko nga, nag-fit kami yesterday, yung sketch niya, wow, talagang alive in real life. And I hope I'll be able to make our country proud as a first timer. I'm doing my best. I'm doing my best. So please support me.
Yan ang kagandahan talaga sa mga katulad mo na fresh face. Na wala kaming basis of comparison. Talagang, ano kami, lahat kami talagang gugulatin mo na lang. Talagang will be super excited to follow every step of the way. Pagpupuyatan ka namin, lahat sa sashing
thank
ceremony
you.
pa lang hanggang
Oo,
sa
kasi
finals.
ang time difference, malaki.
Oo.
Parang madaling araw sa atin, gabi sa kanila. So, ganun ba? Madaling araw sa atin, hapon pa lang
Oo,
sa
gabi
kanila.
sa kanila, madaling araw sa atin.
Oo.
So, kailangan ready rin kami makipagpuyatan,
Yes.
di ba?
And gusto ko pala magpasalamat. Na-realize ko parang mas target natin ang Instagram. Marami tayong supporter sa Instagram. So, thank you so much for supporting me sa Miss Influencer. I think mag-advance tayo to semifinals ng Miss Influencer. So, thank you so much.
Pero ako, if I were... Pero tama yung ginagawa mo. Manigurado na tayo as early as now kasi you never know. Pero alam mo, as early as now talaga, ramdam ko talaga, you'll do well. Ewan ko, judging from how I am perceiving the whole competition, talagang feeling ko magugustuhan ka na talaga nila.
Thank you.
Feeling ko, parang kahit puyat-puyatan, maraming pinagagawa sa inyo, feeling ko magugustuhan ka pa rin nila. Ayan.
Yun naman talaga ang nilook forward natin for our country. Diba? After a decade, this is it.
Yeah, oo.
After a decade.
Sa'yo ko na lang, basta
Yes.
I'm so
Basta
excited.
guys, kalmado lang kayo. Huwag tayo masyadong agitated.
Oh, Gina G. Oo.
Okay lang po tayo. Prepared po tayo. Handa po tayo.
Bakit ka ganyan kakalmado? Have you had an experience in your life wherein you won something out of your calmness?
Out of my... Wow, this
Out
is a
of your
good
quiet,
question.
serene nature or state of mind?
I think in high school, so go back tayo sa childhood. In high school, I was always a leader. I was always the president. Pero hindi ako yung president na type na you have to do this, you have to do that. I collaborate with people. And that's I think one big thing na until now dala-dala ko from my alma mater na you don't have to put pressure on people kasi ako yung lalaban. Pero I don't have to bug my stylist, my pasarela trainer, my Q&A na, mag-train na tayo, do this. Because sila naman full support eh. If you know you're assured that you have a team, you have a family that loves you, that nurtures you in whatever career that you want to take, you're calm, you're prepared, and you really want it. That's the importance. Hindi naman po ako napilit, I want this.
It was meant for you after all. So, there you go. Sige, I won't keep you any longer.
Yes.
I'm so proud of you as early as now. Nararamdaman ko talaga meron kang ipararamdam sa amin. Talaga.
Sana nga. Thank you so much for the support. And guys, see you in Poland. Bye.